Want more time, energy, and patience back? Go get rid of some stuff. If you're a parent, you're probably quite overstimulated, at least I am. At the moment with the twins, it's just a screaming contest all day long, and I found myself longing for peace. Therefore, one of the possible solutions is to simplify your life right now by releasing things that complicate it and create chaos. And getting rid of the kids and or your spouse is probably not a possibility, so we are doing the next best thing. One of the biggest pain points is usually the closet, and that's what we're going to tackle today. I will take you through the process on how to successfully declutter your closet. I would really like to reduce the amount of my clothes. And I say reduce because I'm quite aware of the fact that I'm not going to get rid of everything that I should today. And I don't have to, and you shouldn't do. But I have clothes here that are probably more than a decade old. And being in this new season of my life, being a working parent, I probably should let go of some of them that I really don't wear anymore, so that it's easier in the morning to just grab and go and don't waste too much time on thinking what to wear. Let's go deal with the problem. Too many clothes, nothing to wear. Go grab your clothes. The first thing I want you to do is to sort your clothes. So make different piles. For example, a pile with t-shirts, a pile with pants, or you can differentiate by lifestyle. For example, I have here working t-shirts, and these are day-to-day t-shirts. The same here with the pants. I have gym clothes, and these are work blouses. And if you live somewhere where there are different seasons, like me, you probably will have a winter wardrobe and a summer wardrobe, so keep that in mind. Now that we have our different piles, we are going through each one of them, and we are looking for our favorite pieces, the ones we need. So ideally you will have a baseline of clothes that are black and white and beiges, because it's easy to mix and match them together. But please keep your trendy pieces, your favorite flower dress, the t-shirts with the bold colors. Please don't go to gray. The aim is not to become minimal. I am trying for essential at best. The important part is to get rid of the excess. If you have too many of one piece, just try to choose your favorite. So what do you feel comfortable in, and what do you wear all the time? For example, I have here 2 blue t-shirts from my day-to-day pile, and this one I wear all the time. This one I don't even know when I wear it last time, so I'm gonna toss this one. And same here. This one has a stain on it I can't get rid of, so I can't wear it. When you will be done sorting through your clothes, you probably will end up with a pile of your favorites, so the ones you are going to keep. And on the other hand, you will probably have a pile of the one you really don't want anymore, so you are going to toss. And what is left is a big pile of Mavis. There's another one over there. How do we deal with the Mavis, the just-in-case pile? That's the tricky one. Try to ask yourself these questions. Did I wear them in the last year? Do they fit me? Do I really like them? Make it easy on yourself. You don't have to decide right away if you want to keep or toss them. Just put them in a box and take them to the basement, or put them in a dedicated space on top of the closet where they are out of your sight. If you really will need them, you know where to find them. And if you really won't need them, they will probably go with the next round of decluttering your closet. In a perfect world, you will be left with a closet where you can literally grab and go in the morning because you like every piece in it. Let me know in the comments down below if you are on a simplifying journey as well and what room we should tackle next. Thanks for watching. Ciao.